G'day everybody, welcome to the channel. Those of you that haven't been here before, I'm Big Bert. Welcome to Tasmania. Today we're in Waratah, having a look at a couple of waterfalls in this area. So, you know the drill, those that have been here, grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go and have a look around. We're heading to Philosopher Falls. Is our destination, but we've got to trek through this bit of a rainforest, which is really quite bizarre. Plenty of stuff to see, and look at the backdrop. Pretty dingy, beautiful. That's a root ball off a tree. It's fallen over. Have a look at that. I'm 6'7". That's why you don't muck around in a myrtle type forest. Boom, she come down. Does get a wee bit boggy. Just need to be a little bit mindful where you put your feet. Leach Central. I'm kind of hoping these are the steps down to the falls. I don't want to walk all the way down here for nothing. 200 steps down to the base of Philosopher Falls. I'm sure you don't need to take everyone in with me, so let me get you down to the falls and we'll check it out. We must be getting close. There's a top of Philosopher Falls out the back of Waratah. I don't know whether we're at the bottom of them or whether this is just halfway. So I'm going to run, well not going to run, I'm going to head back up the stairs and follow the trail and see where it leads. How many steps are there, Squirt? 208. 208. So that's 208 down, 208 back. Yeah. Righto folks, here we go, we're heading up. I'll catch up with you when we get to the top and I can talk and breathe again at the same time. Oh, damn. Squirt and I have followed the trail down past the steps that take us to the Philosopher's Falls, but as you can see the track is starting to deteriorate from the maintenance kept on that main walking track. I'm just have a bit of a look around this corner, then we might turn around and head back Obviously, yeah. Obviously trails up to the mine face, which I have no interest in. Yeah, no, it's starting to get a bit hard. And it's getting late in the day in the winter. What do we got? We might give it a miss. We'll turn around and head back up to the track proper, and see what surprises there are on the side of the track. We've hooked through pretty quick without having a look at too much, so let's have a bit of a look and see what's there for us to actually show you. So enjoy the trail out. So we've walked a couple of kilometres down the track. For the piece of shit that carried this all the way in and then threw it on the trail, you, I will pick up your rubbish and put it in the bin. I hope one day you see this, you mother. You're a dirty piece of shit. We could nearly rename this the Fungi Trail.
It is.
There is fungi
have to see the waterfall
everywhere. Yeah, if you don't want to do the waterfall, you're definitely not going to miss out. Alright guys, that's Philosopher Falls. We're nearly back to the car, so we've got to hightail it back to home. So must be time for a beer. Let's go. Here you go, you piece of shit. One stubby in the bin. It's not that hard. It's not that hard.